This is the face of a person who realized her entire footage didn't record. So if my video quality switches up, I'm sorry, but I ain't know. Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me, your girl Rockit, and this video is about this AC unit that I'm looking at in my window right now, as you can tell by the title. But before we get into it, I am going to show you guys what I'm rocking, because Rockit always show you what she's rocking. So I have this shirt, and you can tell it's dope. Okay, I've made it in the past in my other YouTube videos. I'm trying to show you guys the back without busting my butt. See if I can do it. Okay. There we go. I'm going to link the video to this on this page so you guys can make your own top. Maybe for that festival in 2021. Maybe you're just tired of your clothing and you want something new. Or maybe, you know what, you just want to cut your clothes up. The link is there. It's a wham bam thank you man situation, because I'm telling you, making this shirt is only going to take you about 6 minutes. Okay. So, my AC unit, let's get into it. Really quick about it. This AC unit, well, let me show you, since I lost my words. Okay. Bam. I know I need a paint job. That's 2021 pandemic. Okay. So, this AC unit right here, all of these flowers are removable. So, if you choose to remove these flowers in the future, you can, because who wants to be stuck with this? How you know I ain't trying to do a winter thing for the winter? Okay. All right, so boom. Check it. Let's see what you're going to need. You're going to need some cardboard, an old box, you know, works fine, some flowers, scissors, painter's tape. Make sure you get the plastic one, and your hot glue gun. I don't know, I just feel like that's what I said, or how I said it when I did that. So you're gonna make sure that you take your cardboard, you know, your opened up box, and you're gonna measure it out the side. Cut. Bong, look at that. All you gotta do is cut the top, and it's gonna fit. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so boom. You see how I cut it, and it got that little blue space right there that my finger's running across it? Don't worry about that. Take your flower, like I'm doing right here. Bang, bop. All right, and I'm just making sure that it covered that blue part. As long as your flowers cover up all the exposed tape, it's okay if your cardboard is just a little short and not perfect. So what I'm doing right now, okay, boom, bada bop. I'm taking the kindergarten style. You know how you just make your own two-sided tape? That's basically what I'm doing right here. And I don't know why it's taking me like 180 minutes to do this on a sped up video. Like, shorty, how long does it take to roll up some tape and put it on the back of some cardboard? I mean, my gosh, look at me, I'm still down there. Oh my gosh, I did 2 pieces. It took me that long to do 2 freaking pieces. Okay, so boom, I got it up there. Okay, I'm hot. You know why I'm hot? Because I was a genius who was like, let me turn off the AC while I'm recording this video, knowing that I was going to do a voiceover and no one was going to hear the sound of an AC. But that's all right. You know, it's all right. Next time, I'll drink from the I Am Smart juice cup, because wow. Anyway, so boom. As you can see, I am still, where am I going to come back? All right. I am still just taking that cardboard and simply just pasting it, putting it, double-siding your tape around, you know, covering up all the blue tape. Okay, so look at that movie magic. Ba-da-pow. I already got some flowers up there. Of course, I use my handy dandy glue gun. Okay, and I'm just sticking it up there. Now, it's important that you use a lot of glue. Let me say that one more time. A lot of glue. I always express this in all of my videos, that you need to use a lot of glue. You don't want things to be falling down, and yeah, you just don't want things to be falling down. So in the beginning, with the first flower, you saw me cut off that little stem part. That is because when I get these flowers from the 99-cent store for $1, yes, because why would I go to Michael's and pay $8? Anyway, there's like an extra stem, so you have to cut that extra stem off so that it can stick on there nicely, like I'm doing right now. Okay, wow, movie magic, y'all saw that? And here it is, guys, voila. There is your AC unit. hot glue magic, and you can have this unit too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I really hope you guys like this video. Bye.